We are having about 30 years of experience in wiring harnessing. But wiring harnessing is not only into automotive industry, it is also into control panels, electricals, solar, and electrical motors, which is getting very famous these days in India. The way we help our channel distribution or channel partners is not just by giving a product, but also supporting them with the product knowledge. We do give them specific data sheets or support our technical backgrounds, our R&D teams. They explain what is the details of the product. We not only just provide the product, we sit down with our customers, be it our channel distributors or the end users, the automotive industry's end users. We can give our whole experiences and expertise to provide the solutions to all these industries. And we are hoping that in future we can focus on all these different industries. Once this is completed, we go to the next stage of coming up with the, you can say, as a sample. These golden sample is reworked again and again until we find the best solution as a conclusion where the end user feels that this is the correct product. This is where we can provide our experience and support to all our customers and end users.